In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Social Security info in TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to enter so your return matches IRS records and files smoothly. First, sign in to TurboTax and head to the Personal Details area. From the main screen, look for the section labeled My Info. This is where TurboTax stores basic information that identifies you on your tax return, and it's the right place to enter or confirm your Social Security details. Once you're in My Info, find the Your Info card and select Revisit. This opens your personal profile so you can review what's already there and make updates if needed. If this is your first time setting things up for the year, you might not see much filled in yet. No problem, you're in the right spot. Next, move forward through the prompts by selecting Continue. You may see a few quick questions about your legal name, date of birth, or filing situation. These help TurboTax tailor your return, and you can simply confirm what's correct and keep going. Don't worry if you don't have every detail handy right away. You can always come back to this section later. For now, just continue until you reach the identification fields. When you arrive at the field labeled SSN or ATIN, carefully type your 9-digit number. If you have a Social Security number, enter that. If you don't qualify for an SSN and have an individual taxpayer identification number instead, enter your ITIN here. You can usually type the digits straight through. TurboTax will handle the formatting. The most important thing is accuracy. Double check every digit against your Social Security card or ITIN letter. A single typo can delay your refund or cause an e-file rejection. A few quick tips while you're here. Make sure the name in My Info matches exactly what's on your Social Security card, including any middle initials or suffix to avoid identity mismatches. Avoid copying and pasting the number from another document, since hidden spaces can cause errors. Typing it manually is safer. And enter this information only when you're on a secure, private connection. After you've confirmed the number looks correct, select Continue to save and proceed. That's all you need to do to put your Social Security's info into TurboTax. If you're filing jointly or claiming dependents, TurboTax will guide you to add their details in the appropriate sections later. Take a moment to review what you've entered before moving on. Getting this right up front helps TurboTax calculate your return accurately and speeds up IRS processing. You're all set. Great job.